are my leaves from my garden.
Wow, from your garden.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
My daughter's place, I plant all. You have a garden?
I wish I have a garden.
Yeah, I also. Design one.
Modern design, okay.
Yeah. So if you see you cannot find the triangle, that's not matter because it is not the actual serious triangle shape. Huh? The plunging in is always 3 cm. If not, it will topple, you know.
3 cm,
And
okay.
this one is always placed this way down. Huh? You don't go straight down like that.
Okay.
You know what? That's the tendency.
Okay.
But it's always like that.
Ah, okay.
You know, at a
At an
slant.
angle.
Yes,
Okay, sure.
slightly, not
Okay.
so called prominent. And it does not matter if one is long, one is short.
Okay.
Because plants grow like our fingers.
Sure.
Some long, some short. So
Okay.
this one goes out as long as there's a wave or something like that.
Okay.
Let it be. And if you are blessed with many leaves, better still, you know.
Okay.
you can fill up more and more.
All right.
So later on, I'll show you also another where a design is such that I want this bare. You understand? Yeah? You show this all bare. I don't even put that so that I can highlight the stem.
Okay.
It's a kind of design also.
Sure.
So for now, I'll just fill up. Yeah? Even though I got no more, it does not matter. You can still take one of these. Because this is part of this family. You see, this is the longest. This is almost 3/4 actually, so to be 3/4 of it. So this one will be 3/4 of this. 1, 2, 3. Huh? But I'm putting it over this side because I want to fill. Can you see? They are all different length. And normally it's 3, but because I have excess extra leaf, so this one, we got 3. The longest is 3, roughly 3/4. This is 3/4 of the second. So the next one will be 3/4 of the third one.
All right.
It goes shorter and shorter.
Okay. Okay. So this is 3/4 of this, and
Yes,
this is 3/4 of this.
Yes. It just goes. This one, what we do, we punch through.
All right.
So you have the triangle. Like I say, mine is a symmetrical one.
Okay.
Okay, now don't forget the front,
Sure.
right? Okay. The front, one goes, I want it short, a bit too short. It might fall off. It's 3 cm.
3 cm.
3
Okay.
cm.
So the guideline. Okay.
Yes, roughly lah.
Okay,
If
3
you put
cm.
too little, let's say too short now, it will not stand. You see.
Okay.
Like I say, if there's no place, you cut the bottom of the leaf.
Okay.
A lot of hidden ticks, yeah, which the onlooker will not see. You see.
Sure.
See.
Nice. Yeah. Okay.
This is to cover the whole, what do you call it? Tray. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you see the shape.
Yeah.
You must constantly monitor your shape. If you find that one there is unsightly, you can always use whatever you have. A cover here, please. Now you can't see the it don't have to be exactly the same type of leaf. This is the cover. So now you have got the whatever shape you want to do. You start with the flower. Now keep putting, and this one is the end of the sponge already, right?
Yeah.
To put in, I take
Plus
another 3 cm. Yes. Okay. So I cut. So I design it this way. 3 cm. Make sure, if not it will topple. And if you have to, the same thing. It's always 3/4 of this. Never. I mean, you
Understand.
put like that, very boring, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You put like that, there is a story to tell.
Right.
Yeah, you are talking to me.
Okay.
There is conversation.
Sure.
You see? And that's movement, you see.
Okay.
That is what we want to achieve. This one
Okay.
is just right, you see. 3/4 of this guy, you must consider the height of the stem also.
Okay.
But normally I do until here lah.
All right.
Then 3 cm.
Theory.
Right?
Okay.
So, you see now it's like that, I didn't plunge in yet.
Right.
Now, to tell the story. Can you see?
Yes.
They are talking to each other.
Beautiful.
Yeah? This one is correct. Only go lower. Oh dear. So it does this, because you have only 2, you try and work with the 2. Here we have to work with whatever is given. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the tip, this is 3/4 of this. It does not matter if this one is the same height as this. Because this fellow you are looking at the top. So what I'm going to do, because we have only this kind of flowers, this is what we call grouping. Grouping to give unity. If you put one here, one there like that, it looks very scanty. And there is no unity, as I want to always say. So you group.
Understand.
So now, when you are coming to the center, be careful. This one must be 3/4 of this one. You must always be aware of the person behind you. Right? So what I'm going to do? Yeah.
So you partition your sponge and do
Yeah.
one part first.
One part. Yeah. So easier to. Actually, I put another
Tape.
tape.
But this one don't mount.
Huh?
Very fast mati leh. Why
Ikan.
this curry is very nice one.
Yeah. It needs lots of water. Actually, I've gotten some more flowers from the firewood flowers down.
So this is 3/4 of
Huh? This
this. Of,
but because I cut too short, doesn't matter. It can always come in front,
okay.
right? So you are forming another group actually.
Right.
Huh?
Okay.
Then, can see?
Yeah.
So this one will have to go lower.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you go straight one line because it's going down,
Yep.
it's very boring. You see? Like that can go down. So I break the monotony. Yeah. So it has to go like that, like that, like that to go down.
More interesting, huh?
Yeah. It's never the same size, you know. It's always staggered. This one, you want to go like that and out again also can. It's up to you to design it. Yeah, extended, exaggerated. It's okay because this area is so big. Yeah.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah.
Yeah.